morning all of you. Welcome to our online electrical course. Okay. If you like started, welcome to our online electrical course. So today we are talking about the basic electrical tools. Today we are talking about basic electrical tools. Okay. So today our course is related measurement and marking. So in electrical work you should be need to measurement and marking also. First you can take the knowledge of electrical basic tools. Okay, which tools is where working. Today we are talking about this one. Okay, so next one is, if you take the knowledge of electrical tools, then after your topic is measurement and marking. Okay, if you some equipment are installed, some conduit, GI conduit, PVC conduit is installed in ceiling or slab, that time you can need to measurement and need to marking also. Okay, so you first measurement with measurement tape, and then after you marking with marker and start the work. Any kinds of work, okay, electrical work, mechanical work, plumbing work, any kinds of work, first priority is measurement and marking. If you start the work, you go there, as per your drawing, you can measurement, and then after you marking in there and installation equipment or devices. This means your device or equipment is coming correct location, correct as per your drawing location. Okay, as per your drawing location. So measurement and marking is need for building work, industries work, not only electrical, mechanical, plumbing, all are, especially electrical should be needed in this one, because electrical devices and some switch are very small. So as per your scale, you should be marking. Mechanical, we can using in big pipe and big gate valve. This is no more issue. But electrical, all are small device and all small equipments. Okay, you should be do the measurement and after you marking, and then after start the work. Okay, so any industrial work or building work, you should be need the first starting before work, you should be need measurement and marking. Okay, so measurement time, what you need? Measurement time, you need to measurement tape. This is your measuring tape. We have 5 meters measuring tape is there. Okay, so you can measure by the measuring tape. Okay, and marking like that. You can use the marking there. You can go there, measurement the tape and marking with pencil or marker. Where is your as per your drawing? First you see the drawing. Suppose this is your drawing. Okay, so this inside have the some installation. This one, all are the some installation. So first you measurement in your place. Check your drawing first, and then after measurement is there, and after marking and installation the device and equipment. Okay, so same like drawing is give to your working area, not there is any supervisor, any engineer. Okay, so you give the, if you have the senior electrician or charge hand, they will give to drawing for you, and you go to field and start the work with first you measurement and then after marking. If you direct start the work, that time your supervisor, your engineer is told this person is not working in before, not good senior electrician. First, so you should be inside the project. If you going to and start the project as per your drawing, first you marking. Measurement and marking, then after start the work. Okay, So this is the rules of the working start. Before working start, you should be checking your drawing. As per drawing, you can marking with measurement tape, and then after start the work. Okay. So you see there have the all this guys is all PPE using. So you inside the project you should be use PPE, helmets, safety jackets, all are using in there. Okay. So his measurement is like that and marking by pencil and marker. Anyone first priority is marking, then after start the work. Okay. So what is the measurement? So we can talking about the what is the measurement. Okay. So measurement is the act of determining a targets of size, length and weight. Okay. So measurement is the method of you can measure of the sizes of your equipment. You can, if you measure the measurement tape, you can find out what is the size of your equipment, what is the size of your equipment, your tools. And next one is length. How many length is this one? So we can using in dimension also. Dimension, length and weight. So we have three types of measurement: size, length and weight. Okay. So capacity of the equipment or any other object. So measurement is the act of determining a targets of size, length, weight, capacity of the equipment or any other objects. Any objects, some device, some equipment, any GI conduit, PVC conduit, cable tray, you should be measurement by according to the your drawing title. If drawing show the measurement the dimension, you can measurement the dimension. Okay. If length, you should be make the length as per your drawing. As per your drawing. Okay. So next one is measurement is three types of measurement: length and distance. One. Next one is weight, and next one capacity. And this is especially using in liquid. If you measurement some liquid, we can using in this one. If you measurement in weight, that time we can use in this formula. And if you can using in length and distance, that time you can using this one. Okay. So especially this one is not related in our course. This is weight and capacity. Sometimes we can, sometimes little bit 5% we need the measurement of this one, but maximum measurement is coming from there. Our distance and length. Okay. So distance and length in electrical, any building inside road, any project inside road, you should be follow the length and distance measurement. This one is only for 5%. Somewhere you can using this one, but maximum 95% using in this formula. Okay, length and distance. Length and distance. So here is writing 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter inside the 10 mm. Okay. So 100 mm is equal to 10 cm. This means 1 centimeter inside have 10 mm. So 10 cm is equal to 10 multiplied by 10. So 100 mm is coming there. Okay, 100 mm is coming there. And next one, 1000 mm. Mm means millimeter. Okay, mm means millimeter. 1000 mm means mm is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter or 1 meter. 1000 mm is equal to 100 centimeter or 1 meter. And 100 meter is equal to 1 km, means 1 kilometer. So in electrical, you should be the knowledge of this one. This is no more need, but maximum you can need the knowledge of this one. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Every drawing scale is given by mm, not given in centimeter, meter. Okay, so drawing distance, drawing scale is given mm only, because drawing is a small paper. Drawing is small paper. Suppose this is your drawing, all building scale is inside the drawing. So there is always writing in mm. So you can measurement in drawing mm and use in field centimeter, convert to centimeter. Okay, so drawing knowledge is coming tomorrow class, so I will clear about the drawing. Just I am told you this mm, what is the millimeter and what is the centimeter. Okay, so electrical should be unique to length and distance. 110 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 mm is equal to 10 cm. And 1000 mm is equal to 100 cm or 1 meter. Okay, and 100,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Next one is weight. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, and 1000 kg is equal to 1 metric ton. So this is also need somewhere, not needing more, but somewhere you need in this one also. Maximum you need in length and distance. Then another one is capacity of liquid. Sometimes you can working it inside the water tank and some oil tank. This capacity is coming liters, capacity of liter, not coming in weight here. So one tank, how many capacity of, how many water is going to inside the tank, or how many well is going to inside the tank. So tank measurement is liquid. So liquid, okay, capacity. So 100 millimeter is equal to 1 liter, and 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay. Okay. So this is measurement. So you can use not using in liquid, not using in weight, maximum not weight not coming. Only you can focus in this one. You should be take the knowledge of measurement in this one. Everywhere, if you working in building or industries anywhere, because there is give the drawing for you. Only you can show the drawing and start the work. Nobody you can tell, because drawing have there is writing in scale. Scale 1 mm, 1 mm is equal to 100 cm, or 1 mm is equal to 100 mm. Like that they will mention. Okay, so you can think here about this one. Okay. So note, any electricals mostly use length and distance and measurement. Okay. So any electrician, okay, if the electrical work is there, you should be using length and distance. Here is coming only length and distance measurement, not coming in other. This is another this tank. Anyone is coming in mechanical section. Okay, mechanical section. Okay. So this is our scale, measurement scale. how to read the tape measurement. Okay. This is your measurement scale. So I will explain about the mm. What is the mm? So suppose this 2 to 3, 1 centimeter. 2 and 3, 1 centimeter. This inside have how many arrows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to start to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 centimeter is 10 mm. There is you counting in arrow. One arrow is 1 mm. Another arrow is 2 mm. Next arrow is 3 mm. Like that. Okay. So 1 centimeter inside have 10 mm. This is 2 and 3. Between how many arrow is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. So you can measuring in like that. So this is 10 mm or 1 centimeter. So you can convert to centimeter is multiple by 10 mm. If you have the 5 centimeter, you convert to mm is 5 into 10. 5 multiple 10 is equal to 50 mm. If suppose this 6 centimeter, here to here 6 centimeter. How many mm is coming? 6 multiplied by 10. This means 60 mm is coming, this one. So every drawing is give to mm scale, not in centimeter. You convert to centimeter and meter. Okay? So you convert to centimeter and meter. Okay? So this is our scale. Not in volts, inches is not using in here. Standard measurement is only centimeter, meter, not